Oh god, okay, I'll do it.
Hey everyone, as promised, this is my unboxing video from the delivery I had today. Just had to share something with everyone. Got home today and saw this box sitting in my kitchen, and I'll show you a pair of scissors in relation to that box. It's huge. I got really excited because I thought this was my delivery, but it's not. It's for my husband. My delivery is actually here on the table. So just bear with me. I'll get a pair of scissors and we can have a look at what's in this. I'll be doing it one-handed because I have no one to help me, because my son is ungrateful little buggerlugs.
Yeah?
Yeah, you are. Do you want to hold this for me so I can unbox?
Yeah, I
It'll
guess.
only take me 2 seconds. Here you go, watch that. Okay, thank you, Samuel. And you can tell me if anyone comments as well, so keep on there.
Sure.
Was that Angie? Hey Angie, thanks for joining me. Us.
I'm not here.
You're not here. Okay, cool. Okay, so this one should have some new products from the Occasions and SaleABration catalogue in it, so that's why I'm so excited. Still, it's a nice big box. It's not as big as your father's, as my husband's box, but it's a nice big box nonetheless. Okay, there's a whole lot of stuff in here. There's actually an order for one of my customers, and there's some stuff for me, so I'll just try and pick out the stuff that's actually from the new catalogue. Bear with me for a second. I can bring hers out, and then, okay, cool. Anyway, all right. That's hers. That's hers. Okay. Right. This cute little guy is the So Hoppy Together stamp set. That's from the SaleABration. So if you order $90 worth of product plus postage from any of the current catalogues, starting from the 4th of January, you can get this little guy absolutely free. So he's one of the $90 rewards, and he looks really, really cute. So I'll be looking forward to making some pictures, some beautiful cards with him. So he's one. This one here, this is the Geared Up Garage set, and it goes with a framelit set as well. This is from the Occasions catalogue. I'm really looking forward to getting started with this one because I've had lots of people ask for masculine or for cards for dads and for males. So I'm going to be doing some examples of that fairly soon. So that's really good. What else have we got here? Tea Together. So this one is also from the Occasions catalogue. You can see there we've got some teapots and teacups and some flowers and things. So that's really cool. So that's from the Occasion catalogue, and it's got matching framelits, and the framelits are actually part of the SaleABration. So they are available when you spend $180. So you can get the framelits as well. So they go together. So I'm looking forward to using those as well. What else have we got? The vibrant vases. Now, I don't know if guys remember from the annual catalogue, there's one called vases. Something else that starts with V. Someone's going to tell me what it's called. Anyway, there's another vases one. This is like a follow-up one from that. I'm waiting to see whether anyone actually remembers what the original vases stamp set was called. So it goes with the punch where you can punch out the vases. So I'm looking forward to that. I actually made a class with that one last time, so I might make a class with this one as well. Varied vases. Thank you very much, Mari. So that one's got some more sort of abstract designs and some different flowers as well. So looking forward to doing that one. What else have I got? Glue dots, ink. Oh, this is one here. This card kit here, the Precious Parcel card kit, is also from the SaleABration catalogue. So, and that's a $90 reward. So you can choose this one as one of your rewards for a $90 purchase. What else have I got? I think that's all mine. That's all mine. That's my order, I think. Yeah, so I think that's all I've got from the Occasions and SaleABration catalogues. So here are my hot off the presses, my actual catalogues. There's the Occasions catalogue that starts on sale on the 3rd or 4th of January. I'm going to check the number. Yeah, 3rd of January. So you can start from that. And the SaleABration also kicks off from the 3rd of January as well. So SaleABration is a reward for purchasing $90 plus from any of the current catalogues. You can pick some lovely products as you've seen there, plus much more. So SaleABration is a great time to buy, to host and to join Stamping Up. The joining offer during SaleABration is the best you're going to get all year. So please, if you're interested in joining, and please contact me, and I can point you in the direction of some great deals. Anyway, that's my quick unboxing. I think that's all I've got that's from the current catalogues. Bear with me. Oh no, here's one. This is Floral Romance. This is from the Occasions catalogue as well. Lots of new, it's a floral design paper. Just bear with me and I'll get it out. It looked really lovely in the catalogue. So we've got lovely greens and pinks. And it looks like there's three sheets of each design. Oh, look at that. There's a vellum there. You can see that through there. That's actually a vellum. That's really lovely. That's really nice. Oh, and some more. Oh, gosh. I didn't realise there was so much vellum in that one. And some wood grain. Yeah, so that's great. So that's really nice as well. So that's something to look forward to in the new catalogues. Anyway, thanks guys for joining. That's enough of my unboxing for the moment. I'm going to go and start using some of these wonderful products. But as I say, for customers, these are available from the 3rd of January. Thanks again, and I'll see you later in the week. Okay, bye.